Update on more trades, an update on Bitcoin. Welcome to more trades. Okay, this is Bitcoin on the daily. What has Bitcoin done since we last updated? We came up to the value area high of this entire price action from June to now. This is a big fixed range volume profile because basically we are in a big range. We have tested the highs over here, we came to the lows, and over here we were very close to the highs. It's possible to test the highs, but we are finding some resistance, as you can see from the 20th of January till today. We're finding resistance at the value area high, even when we closed above it, opened and closed above it 2 days, but still came down. At the moment on the daily time frame, my resistance is at 23,296. That's my value area high. And if I also pull a fixed range volume profile for the upper range only, to isolate the upper range alone, we can see that the fixed range volume profile of the upper range shows me the value area high is somewhere slightly above that. It's at 23,434. I also have a naked point of control somewhere in and around that region. It's around, let's see, maybe it's showing on the 4-hourly, on the hourly. Probably needs time to load. There we are. Okay, so if we go to the 4-hourly or the daily, we have an NPOC somewhere around here, 23,749. A naked point of control, so it might be tapped. So initially the 23,296 is my first level of resistance. If we get above that, then obviously it's the previous high's wick. We might come all the way up, wick above it, and then come down if we're going to be coming down. Otherwise, we're going to continue higher. If we can claim the 24,250, then it is 24,281. Then it's very possible Bitcoin to go back up to the previous highs of 25,200. But first zone will be 24,439 as well. So basically, we are in a range. We're in the up range. Our level of resistance 23,296. If we are coming to the downside, what are the levels of interest? First off, we can see this level is clear support, 22,880, followed by 22,600 and 600. You lose that, you will be coming to the bottom of this range. This box is the bottom. The green box over here is the bottom of this range at 22,300. Losing that could take us down anywhere between 20,200 and 21,200. This move down, if it happens, doesn't necessarily mean that Bitcoin is going to see a lower low now, although my bias is another lower low. But this move down could mean that Bitcoin just completed a wave 1 to the upside. We're coming to a retracement of a wave 2, and we're going to bounce up again in a wave 3. But you need to watch how it goes down. If it starts going down very impulsively, with high volume, then most probably there is a chance that we are heading to the downside, and we're not going to find a reversal to the upside. It's all a game of probabilities. You need to watch your candlesticks, your moving averages. You can watch different indicators, but I prefer to keep my indicators at a minimum while I'm trading. It's true, sometimes I talk about different indicators when I'm analyzing, but when I'm trying to get into a trade, I don't usually like to take so many indicators in. Usually. At the moment, the 4-hourly, we are above our EMAs. The hourly, we are trying to curl down. Our 8 and 13 are attempting to cross down the green, the black and the orange. And if they start crossing down the 8, 13 and the blue 21, we'll start curling down and cross below the 50, the yellow one. Then we'll get a sell signal. Over here you can see on the hourly we got our buy signal. It took us up, but now we're coming down back to the entry point. So these signals sometimes are not very reliable. They just tell you it's a high probable place to take a short, but it doesn't mean it will happen. Like for instance here, this is a 4-hourly time frame. The 8 and 13 crossed the 21 over here, and this candle, the cross was confirmed. The second candle was confirming an open and close below the 8 EMA. So essentially this is your sell signal after this candle closes. But as you can see, it didn't give us, it went the other way. So indicators are fine, but most indicators are lagging indicators, so you take them with a grain of salt. Now we could still have a reversal to the downside. It is possible. We've seen this pattern before where we form sort of a double bottom, spike up, spike down, continue up, recover this, spike up, then tank. It is possible. Just be careful, and always use stop loss. We have this candle over here. This is a stopping candle, a wick to the high, an evening star or morning star, whatever they call it. But yeah, this is a reversal indication. Let's see how it plays out. More trades. I'm out.